Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. A luxury vehicle division created to compete in the premium core market. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Lexus, 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 Lexus. It is committed to innovation and luxury, with models featuring advanced technology and high-quality materials. The Lexus RX, a pioneering luxury SUV, helped popularize the segment and remains a top choice for its blend of comfort and performance. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Lexus, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.